blue color, red color, yellow color, green color, black color, and white color. Kids, now you draw alphabets. And first you draw A, and use blue color. A for apple, A for ant, B for ball, B for bat, C for cat, C for car, D for dog, D for doll, E for egg, E for elephant. Kids, neither F for fish, F for fan. The alphabets of F, and use red color. G for God, G for glass. The alphabets of G. H for hand, H for helicopter. I for ice, I for ice cream. J for joker, J for jackfruit. The alphabets of J. It's neither numbers. The alphabets of numbers. First we draw 1, O-N-E 1. The numbers of 1, 2, T-W-O 2, 3, T-H-R-W 3, 4, F-O-U-R 4, 5, F-I-V-E 5. Kids, neither 6. The numbers of 6, and use green color. S-I-X 6, 7, S-E-V-E and 7, 8, E-I-G-H-T 8, 9, N-I-N-E 9, 10, T-E-N 10, 11. The numbers of 11, and 12. The numbers of 12. Red color, blue color, yellow color, black color, green color, and white color. Kids, neither numbers. And first either 1, and use red color. This is 1. This is 2. This is 3. This is 4. This is 5. Kids, neither 6. The numbers of 6, and use blue color. This is 6. This is 7. This is 8. This is 9. This is 10. Kids, neither 11. The numbers of 11, and use yellow color. This is 12. This is 13. This is 14. This is 15. It's neither 16. The numbers of 16 and hue is black color. Black color. This is 16. This is 17. This is 18. This is 19. This is 20.